Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Yesenia and I will be teaching you guys how to do this beautiful 3D rose using the products from Valentino. So we're going to be using super white as as one of the color acrylics number 124 from, I believe it's Egypt Goddess collection. Okay, so it's very important when working with 3D that you always use new monomer. So always have a little dabbing dish on the side for your clean monomer, depending on the weather as well. If it's cold, it might be a little runny, so you might have to add a couple of drops of acetone to kind of help it set faster so you can mold it. So you're gonna start off by using your brightest color and then to your darkest. So in this case, the brightest is the white. So you're gonna take your bead with the white and then pretty much add a little bit of the gold. You're gonna place it. You're gonna pretty much wait a little bit. Once you see it a little bit setting, you're gonna go ahead and play with it and mold it. I did start off with the free edge. I believe I did 5 petals on the bottom. So you pretty much want to make a rose, a whole rose. You don't want to do like different little roses. We're doing one big rose on a nail. So you have to be careful on the placements of the petals, especially the rose. You want it to be the center of the rose. You want it to be on the middle. So pretty much eyeball it, picture it in your head how you're going to do it. If not, then the rose won't look like a rose. Next, we're gonna do the petals by the cuticle. I believe I do 3. The 2 that you see right now, and then I'm gonna add one more. Okay, you guys. So actually, on this next part, I didn't record, but on the 2 sides that did not have petals, I added 2 petals. I believe I add 3 more petals on the center to finish off my rose. I'm gonna do one last petal, but for the petals, you're gonna actually use the body of the brush, and then when you do the swirl, you use the tip. Always keep that in mind. Okay, you guys, so it's my first time doing a YouTube video. This is really hard. Props to the people that does videos and doing all this editing. It's crazy. I am a mom, so it's kind of hard to find a time to do my little videos. Like right now, it's 2 in the morning. My babies are asleep, so it gives me a little bit of time. But yes, please, no rude comments. I'm here to teach you guys or to show you guys um, what I know how to do. I am a licensed nail tech and I've been doing nails for over 10 years. So I love doing 3D roses. So I did actually learn this rose in the Valentino class that I took not too long ago with Paula and Allison. But yes, If you guys want more videos like this, please stay tuned. Sorry for my big head. I'm kind of blocking the design. But I'm going to do the last little bead. And then I'm going to swirl it. So remember, use the tip of the brush for that part. Not the body, but the tip. As you guys can see, I'm just kind of swirling it to make the center of the rose. I know it's a lot easier said than done, but with a lot of practice and patience, you will achieve it.